Hi y'all, just rocking out to my Jesus music, and I have collected myself, as you achoo can see, but oh achoo! Like I said, I'm from Casa Grande, Arizona, so achoo! I'm so used to achoo. Oh, the dry heat, I just achoo can't help myself. Achoo! Oh, from sneezing. Oh, and they have this achoo. Oh, my cousins, Sunshine and Stevie, have this adorable cat, but achoo. I am allergic to them. I don't want to say anything to them. You know, they're so nice. Let me stay here and all. Achoo! I miss my grandpappy's farm though. So I'm going to read a very short poem that they wrote. Achoo! I don't know why they want me to I don't know why they want me to read these on TV, but I'm just doing what I'm asked. This is called My Golden Key. I have been through the fire several times. I have been through the flames. The more, excuse me, achoo! Occasional hurricane. The bumps, the scrapes, the teasings, the tauntings, excuse me, achoo! The bullions, the bruises too. But I made it through. How you ask? Excuse me, achoo! But I made it through. How you ask? Only through my sweet Jesus. Achoo! Oh, I'm sorry. Um, I don't deserve his love. I don't deserve to be given the gift of his sacrifice. Excuse me. Achoo! Achoo! His forgiveness. We are all born into sin thanks to Eve and Adam. Let's not forget him. Achoo! But we are sanctified, purified through his blood, his sacrifice, his forgiveness on that wooden cross. Nails through his hands, nails through his feet, his side sliced, bleeding, blood and water. Excuse me. Achoo! Achoo! But he looked to the left and he looked to the right and he forgave. Then the very thick curtain ripped and the earth shook. Excuse me. Achoo! If there was such a thing as a time machine, that's where I would be right now, today. Excuse me. Achoo! Jesus is my golden key. Achoo! I just can't help myself with these sneezes. What am I gonna do? So here's the scripture. Alrighty. We all know the story, right? You know about this, so I'm not gonna go there because it's Christmas time. Can you tell? Yeah. One of Luke 23:39 to 43 says, one of the criminals who hung there hurled insults at him. Aren't you the Messiah? Save yourself and us. But the other criminal rebuked him. Don't you fear God, he said, since you are under the same sentence? We are punished justly, for we are getting what our deeds deserve. But this man has done nothing wrong. Then he said, Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom. Jesus answered him, truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise. So as you can tell, I love Christmas. You know, it's not about what you give or what you get. It's about Jesus. I know he wasn't actually born in December, but we're celebrated. And celebrate it with love. Just, you know, we're doing I think I said it before, one of those Christmas boxes. I'm having so much fun with it. Yeah, you know, just don't worry, you know. And I'm going to say it because I'm going to probably get in a lot of trouble, but I'm celebrating too. Vote. I know us people in California feel like it's not worth it because by the time the presidential election. By the time they get to California, it's pretty much over, which it probably will be, because we're hoping the Christians that Donald Trump will be elected. Because there's a joke. I'm sorry, I can't. That's a real snort. I just can't get over it. My pastor said it, said, blame him. Like, Christians want Trump to be in there because the trumpet will be blown. Praise God. The rapture, get it? But I'm going to vote. I am a pacifist and a what is that? The independent, registered independent. And it's more for the amendments, I think. And not the amendments, you know, the different things in your state or county or whatever they're called. I don't know. Vote. You know, we don't know. I mean, Kennedy, I'm a child of the 60s. I remember Kennedy's election. I remember when he died. I was in school. Yes, I'm that old. Just guess. I just had a birthday. What was I saying? Yeah, he didn't win. He didn't win the popular vote, but he won the electoral vote. So electoral, whatever. So you don't know, you know, and pray that the right person gets into office, and you know, the rapture's coming. It doesn't, you know, I mean, but we're still here. So just pray for the government, you know, that they would make the right choices, not start wars. Anyways, yeah, there you go. I'm probably on the list now, but that's okay. But, you know, okay, I'm done. But spread Jesus' love. This is the time that we can do it. I know it's not December yet, so what? Spread the love. Jesus is the reason for the season. Amen. So God bless you, yours, and your ministry, TTFN. Talk to you later, alligator.